Friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a very useful USDT cloud mining platform. First and cloud mining, you are welcome to Ultra Free Coins, the newest and trusted free cryptocurrency earning provider made for everyone easier. Free first and cloud, no investment required. Highest referral bounty program working for all of you. Only 2 days. They paid to almost 378 USDT total deposit, total user. You can check out each and everything. Here we have latest time of deposit withdrawal take place in this website. Each and everything is in front of you. Now, first of all, how can you reach here and how can you start your money? I will provide the link in the description. You need to click on the link and you can reach here very easily and quickly. Just click on sign up option now to create your account in this website. Scroll down, just need to scroll down. Enter your username and email and set password 2 times. After that, you need to verify this captcha. Just click on create account. Now you can create your account in this website through this way very easily and authentically. I have already account. I am going to log in and I will further teach you everything about this money platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. To website and I have 0.005 USDT available. Just click on withdraw option now. Here we need to first of all select payout method. I am going to select first pay method to take withdraw from this website. I have to insert my full amount of USDT. Just enter your first pay email address over here and I have to verify this captcha to take my withdraw successfully. Now just click on request to withdraw now. Let me check my withdrawal history. Now here you can see that they successfully paid me 0.0059 USDT on 22nd of July 2026. Very well website available for all of us, and you can increase your earning with deposit and without deposit. We have both method available in this website. Just click on buy mining power now over here and you can see we also have bounty program. Here you can select your method. If you go on other direct payment, then you need to make deposit minimum 1 USDT, and if you go on first pay, then you can purchase minimum 1 GH power. Here you can see if you enter 1 GH power, you can see you need to make deposit only 0.05 USDT. You need to make deposit by using your first pay account. Now if you go on enter 100 GH power, you need to make deposit only 5 USDT to make deposit to increase your earning. Just click on process payment. First of all, you need to select your currency of payment or direct method. Yeah, I already select first pay so that I am going to process payment. So this website directly bring you into your first pay account and did not see a new tab. Click here to retry. Now here you can see that website bring us over here and you can see you need to make deposit minimum 0.05 USDT and maximum as much as you want. You can make deposit to increase your earning to generate number of benefit from this website. In this way you can make deposit to increase your earning in this website. Now let's back and we have get 100% hash rate power bonus on any purchase of, means that if you can purchase 200 GH hash power, you will receive 100% of hash power bonus on purchasing 200 GH hash power. Now we have another option, that is bounty program. It will work for every valuable user in this website. You can claim up to 500 GH hash power in reward to increase your earning on daily basis. Bounty promotion program. You can see you will receive 25 GH hash power. Post your referral link on social media like platform Facebook, X, Twitter and Instagram, and on TikTok. You will receive 25 GH hash power. If you go on promote this website on community or group or any forum promotion, you will also receive 25 GH hash power. If you go on create video of YouTube, you will be able to receive 100 GH charger power. You can also create PTC crypto advertisement promotion of this website. You will also receive 100 GH charger power from this website. Just click on, if you go on a YouTube video, just click on claim bounty now, and here you need to insert your promotion link and click to upload a screenshot. Just click on submit now. Your promotion must be remain active for at least 24 hours to be approved from this website to increase your earning over here. You can also copy your affiliate link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. For each referral deposit, you are going to generate a number of benefit. And you can also check your daily earning depend upon your actual power. I have 6 GH charger power, so that I can generate 0.009 USDT per day from this free cloud mining platform. In this way, you are going to generate a huge number of benefit from this free crypto cloud mining platform. Now, if you still have any question about this mining platform, you can ask me in the comment section. If you follow my section, then you are going to generate number of benefit. Hopefully you like it, you love it.